Hello everyone, konnichiwa. I'm Yuka. Welcome to Yuka's Japanese Cooking. Today we're going to make spicy salmon onigiri. I hope you enjoy my Japanese rice balls onigiri series. Who likes spicy? Today we're going to make a spicy version salmon onigiri. I may say this many times, but Japanese food is not so spicy. So I created this recipe with using ichimi togarashi, it's a red chili powder, and ryu, Chinese red chili oil. So I used those ingredients and created this recipe. And aside with onigiri, I introduced Japanese breakfast set meals. So I hope you like it. And as always, Mario and Luigi will be joining as helpers. Luigi is more eager to learn. Luigi? Or maybe interrupt. You are here. During this video, I'll show some tips and cooking ideas. Please watch until the end. Are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, so spicy salmon onigiri, 2 versions, and the Japanese breakfast set meal are ready. For breakfast set meal, I prepared nikujaga. I have vegan nikujaga recipe, but I used beef to make this nikujaga. I also prepared the pickled cucumber with nori seaweed. As for drink, I prepared green tea. So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. Fish is important, so I'll try the fresh salmon onigiri first. It's so shiny. I can taste the sesame oil, honey, and soy sauce. All harmonized. It goes well with rice. So fresh. And the salmon starts to melt in my mouth. Spicy comes later. Okay, I'll change the palette. Now let's taste cooked salmon version. If you like mayonnaise, this is perfect onigiri for you. The flavor of mayonnaise and rice is actually very good. This homemade mayonnaise doesn't bother the flavor of salmon. Homemade mayonnaise balances everything. If you like very spicy, I recommend to double the ingredients. Same as fresh salmon version. The spicy comes later. ごちそうさまでした。Here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: when you make fresh salmon version, I recommend to prepare the fresh salmon, which is sushi quality. It defines the flavor of this onigiri, so please find a good one. And tip: to make cooked salmon version, please sprinkle the salt before cooking to cleanse the smell from the fish. And after that, please wipe with kitchen paper and start cooking. And tip: after making cooked salmon with mayonnaise, it gets very oily, so please consider about the amount of fillings. So I hope these recipes will help you to make daily meals. Before watching another videos, don't forget to hit the like buttons. And if you watch this video for the first time, please subscribe my channel. See you next time.